Let me explain how I use ChatGPT to change the background, but maintain authenticity of the picture. I asked ChatGPT, change the background to a photo studio. However, it changed the background, but also changed the model. The resolution has gotten a lot lower. If you look closely, model's face also has changed. And for some reason, it put the fur under her butt. First, I uploaded the original photo to the Photoshop and made slight improvement to the skin, such as removing blemishes and something that I would normally do to any marketing photo. Next, I used the selection tool, selected the model from head to toe, and tried to move to the picture generated by ChatGPT. But there was a problem. I realized the ChatGPT picture is a lot smaller than my original picture. So I went back to original picture, looked at the dimensions, copied those dimensions, and saved the ChatGPT under same dimensions as my original picture. When I brought the enlarged ChatGPT picture to Photoshop, I still have to erase some parts of the model. It didn't have exact posture as my original. Only after this, I was able to bring my original model and place her into her new background. After the placement, I still have to improve and polish edges, as you see. Please note, I use AI occasionally, only as a photo editing tool for tasks like cleaning up the backgrounds or removing distraction. I don't use it to replace people, fake fashion, or craftsmanship, nor advise anyone to do that. Katie Teacher is all about teaching pattern making, fitting, craftsmanship, and slow fashion. Thank you. Here's the second example. ChatGPT, clean up the table and back walls. Look, great job cleaning the table at both sides and back wall. But look closely at her face. That's not how she looks. Her teeth, the glasses, it's so grainy. And here is the final result after I transferred original model from the photo I took it with my iPhone. It's tidy, authentic, and beautiful.